Hi YouTube, here's Styler. Today I'm going to review the Onda V975 version 3 tablet that I got from Schofield on dhgate.com. Remember also to check out my unboxing and gaming test of this tablet. You'll find these on my YouTube channel. This tablet has a 9.7 inch Retina screen with a resolution of 2048 by 1536 pixels. Inside we have an Allwinner A31 quad-core with 1.2 GHz. We have 1 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM and a camera with 5 megapixel back camera and 2 megapixel front camera. Out of the box it comes with Android 4.2 Jelly Bean. But you can also now update it to the latest 4.4 Kitkat. The firmware you can find on Onda's homepage. I really recommend doing this because the tablet is so much better and faster with Kitkat than with Jelly Bean. So this tablet has some pros and cons. If we go for the good things first, it has a very nice resolution. The battery is also very good, and I also must say that the Wi-Fi range is also very good. And it's excellent for games, TV and Facebook. Also YouTube and music is very good on this tablet because of the stereo speakers. If you just want to surf on the internet, this tablet is also very good because of the size. The design is similar to the Apple iPad, and some people may even think that you are using the iPad. They don't know which tablet you are using. The tablet has full support for OTG HDMI out and MIRACAST. It supports SD cards up to 32 GB. If I have to say something of the bad things about this tablet is that it only has 1 GB of RAM. It could use more RAM sometimes, but overall it's okay, I think. The tablet could also be a little bit lighter. It is pretty heavy because of the aluminium back. And the front and back camera is okay for daily use, I will say, but of course higher megapixel could also have been a better plus for this tablet. I recommend this tablet if you are searching for a good all-round tablet for internet, YouTube, Facebook, games and like that. For the price it is a very good tablet, and especially the screen is very vivid and sharp. And I definitely would go for a Retina tablet with this resolution. So when we take a look on this side here, we have the power button, we have the headphone jack stick, an HDMI port, the micro USB port and a microphone. In the top we have the front facing camera, and on the back we have nothing. But in the bottom of the tablet we have stereo speakers also. So that's pretty nice. And now I'm going to show you the tablet connected to my TV. As you can see here, I have the tablet and it's connected with the HDMI cable into the TV. And the good thing here is that I can connect it to the power together with the HDMI, so you don't have to think about the battery when you play movies. You can charge and watch at the same time. So that was my TV scaling the image automatically. So as you can see, it looks really nice. So it streams the image from the tablet directly to the TV. And if we go to the settings, I can show you here that it's possible to set different settings here. For example, you can set the full screen mode. That means that it will use the full screen, but I haven't enabled this because my TV automatically zooms the image to use the full screen. But if your TV can't do this, you can use this. And the HDMI output mode, you can set which resolution you want, 720p or 1080p and so on, or auto mode. Also you can set something called screen adaptation here. That's you enable screen adaptation to the resolution and display mode, and here you can set things like smart color and intelligent backlight. Here you can see here it's not scaled. Like this, it's full screen. And let's go back to the settings here, and if I disable the full screen mode, you can see here it's not full screen anymore. Enable, and now it's full screen again. So that's the setting, full screen mode. So here we have the lock screen, and as you can see, you can access Google Now from here. And yesterday I managed to update the tablet from Jelly Bean 4.2 to the newest 4.4 Kitkat, and I can show it here. So as you can see, it's running the officially Android 4.4.2 Kitkat. And I'm running Nova Launcher on the tablet right now with the candid icons. YouTube. Okay Google. YouTube. So one of the nice things about this tablet is the screen. The screen is a Retina screen with 2048 by 1536 pixel resolution. Okay, let's take a look in the settings. First we have the Wi-Fi, then we have the data usage, and we have settings here also to airplane mode, VPN, mobile networks. You can connect a 3 OTG dongle to the tablet, but there's no SIM card built in. Here you can see if you have more launchers. I can choose the Onda desktop or the Nova launcher. Here we have the sound, display, and in the display you also can choose wireless display, and you can connect to a MIRACAST dongle. We have things like smart color and intelligent backlight. So what the smart color does, it gives the screen better colors. The colors will look more deep and warm. And the intelligent backlight will save some power, so the battery will last longer. Actually, it's possible to run a demo mode here. As you can see, just on this screen, you can see it's more dark here and more light here. If you try on the intelligent backlight, you can also see the difference here. Then we have the storage. We have totally 16 GB space, and the internal storage is 2 GB for apps, and the rest is internal storage. Also, you can use a SD card with this tablet. The tablet also supports OTG, so you can connect a USB storage to the tablet also. Then we have the battery, we have apps, security, location, and we have something language. In the language we have a lot of different languages, as you can see here. Then we have backup and reset. And we have the normal date and time, accessibility, printing, developer options, and about tablet. Also, the IPS screen does a really good job. As you can see, the viewing angle is really good also. So something you must notice is that this tablet is in different versions. You have to look on the serial number on the back. The 9th and 10th says V3. This means that this is version 3. This is the newest version. There's also the same model with V1 and V2. So this is of course version 1 and 2. But V3 is the newest. Another special feature of this tablet is that it comes with a 4K player, and if I have to try the 4K player here, so as you can see here, the screen is really sharp. Nice colors, and the resolution is really high. So as you could see, the video runs fine, but I must admit that the tablet struggles a little bit with the 4K videos, but overall it runs okay. So if you want to upgrade your tablet to the Kitkat version, I will provide the link to the upgrade tool and the ROM. You can also download the Kitkat officially ROM from the Onda webpage, but it's located in China, so it may be really slow. I will upload the ROM to a location on a faster server, so you can download it if you have any interest. Another nice thing is when you're going to turn off the tablet, it will ask you if the system should boot in quick boot mode next time. So here you can check this to boot in quick boot mode next time, or you just let it be and close it down. Okay, and now we are going to take a look on the camera. As you can see here, we have settings like normal, continuous shooting, fast snap, we have normal, panorama snap, then we have different filters, low-mo, autofix, and here we have different settings for picture size, face detection and sound. Here you switch on the camera recording mode or normal photo mode. Here you switch to the front facing camera. So this tablet comes with some Chinese apps, but some of them you can just uninstall and others are just put away. Actually they don't bother me because the rest, like Google Store and Google Search and everything else, is working just fine. So now I'm going to show you how the OTG works. Here I have a OTG cable, and we have the USB here. So I put on the USB stick to the OTG, and I'm going to connect this to the tablet here, like this, and it will say in the top here that the storage is mounted, USB mounted. So when I go into the file manager now, I can go to the USB host 1, and here I have the content of the USB. I can play a movie directly from the USB. When I disconnect this again, it will say removed USB storage. Removed USB storage. USB storage removed. Insert new media. So when we take a look here, we have two, and here we have things like brightness, settings, then we have rotation locked on or unlocked, we have the battery, airplane mode, location, screenshot and volume adjust.
Af at de baltiske lande føler sig truet og har bedt NATO om hjælp. USA har allerede svaret i morgen ved den danske regering.
So if you need a tablet for movies or pictures or internet, I will definitely recommend this tablet.